G'day guys, just testing out this new microphone I have. It's the Shure mv7 Plus. I just want to try XLR recording on my camera. I'm using the Saramonic SR2 Pax 2, which it's like a mixer. It just adds two inputs to your camera, or like you can use an XLR. So for this case, I'm using the XLR, not the USB side. So how does the sound go? I'm not wearing my headphones right now. Also, I'm seeing the audio to be a bit lower, but that's what you get for using a microphone like this. But if you'll be using the SM7B, that's going to be, you're going to need this. This is the Fethead or a cloud lifter, so it just boosts up the audio. But this one here, let's just try how it sounds. If it's good, just tell me how. And if it's not, I chose the white because it's cool. But anyway, more videos will be made with this microphone, and I hope it's a good microphone. I hope I didn't use my. I'm too lazy to get my headphones, but yeah, it should sound good. Yeah, just tell me about it. Yeah, more videos with this. See ya.